Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert page numbers to your documents you edit on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to the text document here, guys. And if I scroll to the bottom of these pages of that document, you will see that there are no page numbers. So to change this, navigate to insert here at the top. Click into page number and customize your page numbering, like the position at the bottom of the page or center, top of the page, and then the alignment left, center, right. And you may also go with these, move some of these options here. Now you may customize the page numbers as well and use, I don't know, Roman numerals or letters. I will go with 1, 2, 3. Click into OK. And that is going to add the page numbering to your document's footer, to the page footer. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.